Welcome to another crochet tutorial with Cozy Rosie UK. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a double treble crochet 3 together. In US terms, that would be a treble crochet 3 together. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and of course the notification bell so that you never miss out on another one of my crochet tutorials. So the double treble or the treble crochet in US terms is the one that we wrap that yarn around twice. To decrease across the 3 stitches, so when we're treble crocheting or double treble crocheting across 3, we're going to work into the next 3 stitches along. So let's try one together. We're going to wrap that yarn around the hook twice and insert our hook into the next stitch. We're going to yarn over and bring a loop up, yarn over to pull through those first 2 stitches, and again we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. That leaves us with almost like just one step left of our stitch. So we're going to leave where we are there and wrap the yarn around twice again and working into the next stitch. We're going to insert the hook, yarn over, bring a loop up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that leaves us this time with 3 loops on our hook. And again, we've just got that one step left where we're going to stop there, wrap the yarn around the hook twice, insert the hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull a loop up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That leaves us with 4 stitches remaining on our hook. And we're simply going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops to bring those 3 stitches into one at the top there. You'll most likely find a double crochet 3 together in a wave or a chevron stitch, and you'll also find it maybe in a different form of cluster, but most of the time you'll be using it to bring stitches in together or out. So the opposite to this would be, of course, 3 double trebles into the same stitch. So one side of the peak you would decrease and the other side you would increase to create a chevron or a spike. Let's do that together one last time. So we're going to wrap the yarn around twice, insert that hook into the first stitch, yarn over to bring a 4th loop up, yarn over and pull through those first 2. You have 3 loops remaining on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2. When you have 2 loops left, we're going to re-wrap the yarn around that hook twice, insert our hook into the next stitch, yarn over, bring a loop up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 to leave us with 3 loops on our hook. And for the third and final time for the double treble 3 together or the treble crochet 3 together, wrap the yarn twice, insert into that 3rd stitch, yarn over, bring a loop up, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2. That leaves us with those 4 loops on our hook, and we simply yarn over and pull through all 4 loops so that we're just left with that one stitch on top of all of these 3. I hope you've enjoyed this crochet tutorial and it will help you complete your next crochet project. I have a number of projects that do feature a double treble 3 together. So if you click the link in the description box, you can head over onto the blog and find more inspirational crochet patterns. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you again soon.